Hi, I'm Dr. Priyanka Srivastava, a psychologist practicing in Noida. Today let's understand the term depression. Depression is nothing but a psychological condition that can drain your energy, drive and hope from your life. The things that you once rejoiced may not be pleasurable anymore. Meanwhile, it is not a simple and an easy way to move out from a depression. You need to consult a counseling psychologist or a counselor or a therapist to overcome the symptoms of depression. Yet at the same time, there are certain things you need to avoid and you need to follow when you are moving in this state of depression. So there are 4 things that you need to avoid during this state of depression. Number 1 is avoid staying alone. Whenever we are in this depression mode, we generally do not want to interact with the people, do not want to move into the social situations. But we recommend that you should move into the social situations so that your feeling of loneliness is being taken care of. Secondly is avoid not seeking help. Avoid not seeking help means that you need to consult a therapist or a counseling psychologist who will help you to overcome with these symptoms of depression either through online or an offline mode of consultation. Thirdly, avoid white foods or processed foods. Now, white foods or the processed foods, they are generally simple carbohydrates that can actually lead to insulin dumping and trigger the process of depression. Lastly, the products from aspartame. Aspartame is nothing but an artificial sugar. Eating aspartame can increase the intensity of depression symptoms and may result in insomnia as well. Now, what are the things we need to follow during this depression mood? Number 1 is we need to consume more of omega-3 fatty acids in our diet. For the vegetarians, we can include flax seeds, broccoli in our diet. For non-vegetarians, we can include fish or fish cod liver oil. Secondly, get involved in social settings. Getting involved in social settings will surely help you move out from this state of depression. Thirdly, fix your daily routine. Fixing the daily routine will help you, motivate you to move out again from this state of depression. Fourthly, be positive and be open to the new ideas. Have a positive thinking that surely you will come out of this state of mind and be open to the ideas from the social gatherings. For any other further consultation regarding this depression, you can consult me through Librate online and offline mode.